My name is Sheriff Kadani Idris Semwanga. I'm from Kansanga Parish Makindi Division, Kampala District. I work as the Programs Manager, Young People's Advocacy Forum, an indigenous NGO dealing in advocacy, governance, socio-economic empowerment, and research and education. My call to all Ugandans out there, and especially the young people, since we are the majority, we constitute a number of the biggest percentage in Uganda. 85% of the young people, of the population of Uganda are young people. I call upon you to go and vote because it is your right to vote. And after voting, please maintain a peaceful environment around everyone. We believe all of you have different political ideologies, believe in different political parties, and support different political candidates. We kindly appeal to you as an organization and as an individual to go out there and vote, to go out there and keep peace. You know, Uganda is going to exist beyond the 14th of January 2021. Kindly maintain peace, be peace, and be humble and accept whatsoever comes from these elections, and we wait for the next term or the next season of elections. Thank you.